Okay, guys, I know y'all couldn't hear me for a minute there, but something went wrong with my sound, but now it's coming back in. So these are my goats, and you saw most of them in the beginning. This is pretty much what we feed them. Those are our two biggest goats. That's a free rooster. That's where we put hay and stuff in. Free babies.
Make sure you're not enough honey.
Nope.
Where are you at?
Here, say something about the goats.
We have a goat named Nibbles. We have a goat named Nibbles.
Where's Nibbles? Nibbles is right there. Zooming.
Gotta go choking.
Where?
Too
Ugh!
fast.
Oh, that's disgusting. Look at this. I need to put a vomit warning on my video now. When anything throws up in a video, you have to put a vomit warning. Alrighty. So we put about this much feed in their butt. And each of them every day. And this is where we get all the feed from. This gigantic container right here. It's really big, holds a lot of feed. And that's the dog part that we carry everything on. But other than that, this is the type of feed we feed them. So, other than that, guys, that's pretty much what we do with our goats, and that's it. And that's my little sister. Alrighty. Shut up. Peace.